Good morning, everyone. Today I will talk about home appliances. Home appliances are machines we use at home. They help us every day. They make our life easy. Let's start room by room. First, let's go to the kitchen. In the kitchen, we have a refrigerator. Repeat. Refrigerator. 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 The refrigerator keeps food cold. It keeps food fresh. We also have a microwave. Repeat. Microwave. 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 The microwave heats food. It heats food quickly. Next, we have an oven. Repeat. Oven. 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 The oven cooks food. It bakes food. We also use an electric kettle. Repeat. Electric kettle. Electric kettle. Electric kettle. Electric kettle. It boils water. It makes hot water. And we have a blender. Repeat. Blender. 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 The blender makes juice. It mixes food. Now let's go to the living room. In the living room, we have a television. Repeat. Television. 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 We watch TV. We watch movies. We also have a remote control. Repeat. Remote control. Remote control. Remote control. Remote control. We use it to change the channel. Sometimes we have an air conditioner. Repeat. Air conditioner. Air conditioner. Air conditioner. Air conditioner. It makes the room cool. We may also have a fan. Repeat. Fan. 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 The fan moves the air. Now let's go to the bedroom. In the bedroom, we have a lamp. Repeat. Lamp. 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 The lamp gives light. We also have an alarm clock. Repeat. Alarm clock. Alarm clock. Alarm clock. Alarm clock. It wakes us up in the morning. Some people have a heater. Repeat. Heater. 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 It makes the room warm. Now let's go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, we have a washing machine. Repeat. Washing machine. Washing machine. Washing machine. Washing machine. It washes clothes. It cleans clothes. We also have a hairdryer. Repeat. Hairdryer. 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 It dries hair. Sometimes we have a water heater. Repeat. Water heat. Water heater. Water heater. Water heater. It makes water hot. Finally, we have some appliances for the whole house. We have a vacuum cleaner. Repeat. Vacuum. Cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Cleans the floor. We also have an iron. Repeat. Iron. 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 It makes clothes smooth. Home appliances are very important. Repeat. Important. 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 They help us cook. They help us clean. They help us live better. We use home appliances every day. Every day. Every day. Thank you for listening. And try to tell me in the comments, what did you learn from this video?